powerful parents. Dr. Robin Silverman here, child and teen development specialist and the creator of the Powerful Words Character System. Happy June 2014. The powerful word of the month this month is sportsmanship. And sportsmanship is usually associated with one's attitude while competing in sports. However, good sportsmanship is important in all types of competition. And in fact, it's something we need to see in everyone, from the competitor to the spectators watching, the coaches, the instructors, and the referees. Every person involved in the competition can help set the tone of the game or the event. Sportsmanship needs to be first and foremost, and sportsmanship is the golden rule of competition. Now, as far as good sportsmanship is concerned, it embodies the written and unwritten rules of a game. When we show good sportsmanship, we follow the known rules, like everyone gets a turn, or each competitor must wear the appropriate uniform, or whatever applies to your particular competition. But there are also unwritten or golden rules that we must follow. For example, good sports know that cheating, lying, and bullying is wrong. They also know that showing grace when losing and kindness when winning is an important part of being a good participant. As a key adult in a child's life, it's important to both talk to your child about good sportsmanship and show your child what good sportsmanship looks like. That means we need to adopt a fun is number one attitude and a very good do your very best approach when our children are competing or when we are competing ourselves. Now, this does not mean that we need to pretend we are happy when we lose, but rather show respect no matter what the outcome. What we model comes back to us. Now, we'll be talking about winning and losing this month, as well as playing by the rules, being a positive spectator, and dealing with the outcome of a competition. For all of our children who are involved in different kinds of competition, both in and out of school, this is a very important month. So thank you for being part of our Powerful Words family. Let's meet back here next month to speak about our next powerful word. And in the meantime, I hope you'll visit me with your questions on drrobinsilverman.com or on Facebook under Dr. Robin Silverman, or on a whole host of other social media sites. I want to see you. I look forward to hearing from you. I hope you have a very powerful month. Goodbye, everyone.